Hello students, good evening. Students, yesterday I have given you the notes of third chapter. In last week we have completed our third chapter. The chapter was sorting and filtering in Excel. So as we have completed the chapter in last week, I have for that purpose yesterday I have given you the notes based on the third chapter. I hope that you have completed the notes in your classwork notebook. If you have not completed those notes in your classwork notebook, complete it right now within 2 3 days, because I'm not going to give you those notes again as I have already given you. If you are not completed, see yesterday's message in your in WhatsApp group and complete your computer notes of third chapter in your classwork notebook itself. Okay. Then speaking further about online classes, you have to compulsory attend the online classes. Yes, today also I have given you the link of online classes. I am sending you the video. That doesn't mean that you don't have to attend a online class. It's compulsory for you to attend the online class, because in that द अटेंडेंस इज़ बीइंग टेकन. अगर आपने ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया तो आपको अटेंडेंस का इशू होगा. ओके, एंड आई एम गिविंग यू दिस वीडियो. सो इफ़ देर इज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, और इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग, या आपका कोई पॉइंट क्लियर नहीं है प्रैक्टिकली, जैसे ये हमारा प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है, तो अगर आपका कोई पॉइंट आप मिस कर जाते हो तो उसके लिए फॉर दैट पर्पस आई एम सेंडिंग you this video. You see the video. Everything is given practically over here, but it's compulsory for you to attend lecture as well online. Okay, now moving further, let's start with our chapter number 4, that is the new chapter, creating charts in MS Excel. Charts mean the same, like you draw a bar chart, you draw a pie chart in English language, you draw a bar chart in mathematics, in geography, and many of the subjects. So we are going to learn charts over here. Let's see which points we are going to learn in this chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn elements of chart, types of charts, creating charts, changing the chart type, changing the chart layout, adding chart elements, changing chart style, and moving charts. These are the points that we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's proceed with our first point, that is element of a chart. Okay. So in elements of a chart there are few points that we should know, that is axis. Axis is an element when we draw any of the chart. First thing, while drawing a chart or while plotting a graph, in normal language we call them a graph को ही in computer language we called a chart. Okay, so in every bar graph or in every chart there is one main thing that is required while plotting, that is the axis. Axis जो होते हैं हमारे x axis, y axis, z axis, we require those axes while plotting on a chart. Then there is a axis title. Every time we require a title to give for our axis. Data series, chart title, chart area, plot area, legend, grid lines, data labels, data tables. So these are all are the elements of a chart. Now I will show you diagrammatically all the elements of a chart. Okay, so here see. Now here elements of a chart. In this image you can see that this one is a x-axis, this one is a y-axis. Okay, this one is a y-axis and this one is a x-axis. As x-axis are x-axis and y-axis are always in opposite direction. Okay, you know that in a better way. Next thing is, whenever we give axis or in a chart, there is always need, in this type of chart there is always need of title for x-axis and y-axis. We have to give title to both the axes every time. First one here, so here you can see that at the place of x-axis there is a title name, and at the place of y-axis there is a title marks. Okay, now next element of chart is data. There is a data table. Data table, here you can see that while plotting any of the bar chart, every time, why I am saying bar chart, because you are familiar with the word bar. Okay, so ये कौन सा है, बार चार्ट है. ओके, सो हियर while plotting a bar chart every time it is necessary that we should have a data table. अगर डेटा टेबल रहा तो उसी की हेल्प से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये कंप्लीट चार्ट को प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. सो हियर देयर इज अ डेटा टेबल. आफ्टर डेटा टेबल देयर आर द डेटा लेबल्स. अब ये चार्ट को प्लॉट किया ना, तो यहाँ पे ग्रिड लाइंस आपको दिख रही है. ग्रिड लाइन इज वन ऑफ द एलिमेंट. अगर हमारे चार्ट पे अगर लाइनिंग्स ही ना होंगी, नहीं होगी, इफ देयर आर नो लाइनिंग्स ऑन आवर चार्ट, इज इट इजियर टू प्लॉट द plot the bar chart or plot any of the chart? No, it's not possible. So for that purpose what we required a grid lines. After grid line, next thing is data series. Whenever we are plotting a chart, what we have to do, we have to plot our bar. Now here bar is plotted, here bar is plotted. So this thing is known as a data series. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, we called it as a data series. The next one is a data level. After plotting a data series, next thing is that we have to give label. Data series को क्या देना ज़रूरी है, it is necessary to give data labels to data series. data labels मतलब ये वाला अभी बार बनाया वो कितने हाइट का है 89, ये बनाया वो कितने हाइट का है that is a 90, this one is of 78. So it is necessary to give data labels as well. Then every chart has a title also. Every chart has title also. Now these marks are of English, that's why the title is given marks in English. Next one is प्लॉट एरिया. अभी आपको यहाँ पे एक थोड़ी जगह दी जाती है कि व्हाट इज द इन दिस एरिया. ये जो एरिया है ना डेटा टेबल के ऊपर का, ओनली दिस मच एरिया इज अवेलेबल फॉर प्लॉटिंग your bar chart. For plotting your chart, that area is called as a plot area. That area is called as a plot area. Now next one is a legend. Legend मतलब आप जैसे if you are drawing a chart in your geography related to grains, तो आप क्या करते हो, there you plot a names of a grain like wheat, bajra, then corn. You plot their names. In the same way here we have plotted a name, here we have written a name English. So in computer language this thing is known as a legend. In computer language this thing is called as a legend. And this complete information plotted on area, on a white area, on the white sheet is called as chart area. मतलब ये जो भी बाहर से रिलेटेड, ये जो भी चार्ट से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये जहाँ भी हमने प्लॉट किया है, दिस कंप्लीट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज अ चार्ट एरिया. So these were different or these are the different elements of a chart. I hope that you understood all the elements of a chart. Now let's move further with types of chart. Now there are many types of chart in our computer or in our Excel, in our as well they are in PowerPoint, as well they are in Word also. So let's see types of chart one by one. First type of chart is a column chart, second one is a line, third one is a pie chart, fourth bar chart, fifth area chart, sixth scatter chart, seventh surface chart, eighth donut chart, and ninth radar chart. So these are the different types of chart. Let's see them practically. Okay, now so let's go in Excel sheet. Here on a desktop I am going in a Excel sheet. On Excel sheet here, for getting a chart in our Excel or for taking a chart in our Excel, where we will find a chart, for that you have to go in Insert tab. After going in your Insert tab, you have to go on in a chart group, in a charts group. यहाँ पे आपको charts group दिख रहा है. Go over here there is a arrow, click on it. After clicking over it, here you will find all the type of charts. That one is a column, line, pie, bar, area, XY scatter, stock, surface, donut, bubble, and radar. So these are different types of chart. Let's see this here I have clicked over here. So these are the column charts. Then here line, so you can see this one is a line chart. Then next one is a pie. Here you can see this one is a pie chart. Next one is a bar chart. So these are the bar charts. Next one is a area. These type of charts are known as area chart. XY scatter. These type of charts are known as XY scatter chart. Stock, these type of charts are known as stock charts. Next one is a surface. These type of charts are known as surface chart. Next one is a donut. This one is a donut chart. Bubble, this one is a bubble chart, and here there is a radar chart. So these are the different types of chart that are available for us. Okay. So next point over here that we are going to learn now is creating chart. Just now we have finished the types of chart. We have seen practically different types of chart. Now we want to see, we have just seen a type of charts. Okay, we have not done anything in those charts. Now let's see how to create a chart. So for creating the chart, let's go on an Excel sheet. After going on an Excel sheet, here what you have to do, for taking a chart, go on Insert tab. After Insert tab, you go in a chart group, click on arrow. After clicking on a arrow, let's take for a chart, that one is a column chart from here, whichever you want, and click OK. After clicking OK, here your chart will appear. But there is a drawback of MS Excel. MS Excel 2007 और MS Excel 2010 में एक ड्रॉबैक है कि हम इसके ऊपर जब भी चार्ट लेते हैं ना, तो ये चार्ट का जो है बॉर्डर वो तो आ जाती है, but here the details of the charts are not plotted. So instead of seeing chart over here, let's see the charts in MS PowerPoint. दोनों का वर्किंग, दोनों का तरीका एक ही जैसा है, बस हम एक्सेल में पढ़ने की जगह इसे कहाँ पढ़ेंगे, we will learn it in पावर पॉइंट. एक्सेल की जगह सिर्फ पावर पॉइंट में सीखेंगे. वी विल नॉट लर्न इट इन एक्सेल. दोनों में एक ही तरीके से वर्क करते हैं, कोई डिफरेंट तरीका नहीं है. Both the things are same, but as it is MS Excel is not supporting chart, that's why we are going to see charts in MS PowerPoint. So let's see in MS PowerPoint without wasting any of the time. Okay, so now this one is our MS PowerPoint slide. Now we want to see that how to create a chart. So for creating a chart, what you have to do, go in Insert tab, and like in Excel in Insert tab there was a group called as chart. Like that, here there is a no group called as chart. In illustration group there is a chart. There is a chart option available. Click over it. After clicking over here, you will see that here are different types of chart. That one is column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, stock, surface, donut, bubble, and radar. These are the same chart that we have just seen in MS Excel. So I am taking one of the chart over here. I have selected a chart. I want to create a chart, that's why I have selected a chart. After selecting a chart, just click on OK, and here your chart is created. And as the chart is created, here you can see with it Excel sheet got opened. In this Excel sheet there are the details related to the chart. Now what is the use of these details? That these are the details changing the chart type. Now this is the chart, we want to change it types, we want to change it series, we want to change the legends, we want to change the title. Okay, so how can we change that? That is the next point from the chapter, that is changing the chart type. We will see this point in next lecture. Okay, so today we have completed few points from this chapter, that is elements of chart, types of chart, creating chart. Okay, and remaining points, that is changing the chart type, changing the chart layout, adding chart elements, changing the chart style, moving charts. These points we will see in next lecture. Okay, in next week. And the homework for today is that whatever I have taught you today, you have to read those points carefully from the textbook, because as I told in morning, I am going to ask question over it, and you have, as I told you, you have to compulsory attend online lectures as well. Okay, so thank you.